Bonjour, my royal friends. This is Princess Diane von Brainers-Fried with more tips for your royally happy life. Today, I'd like to talk about the fact that some things that look like they're bad can actually be good. And I know most of you have had this experience. For example, our battery just ran out of our car, and you'd think that would be a bad thing, but that's actually a good thing in the way it happened because it happened in our garage, so it could have been when we were out on the highway. So what looked bad was actually something good because it happened in our garage. And the reason I was thinking about this is kind of something funny. I was thinking that, with the holidays coming up, a lot of people are cooking foods that are comforting and foods maybe from the family recipe trove. And one of the family recipe troves that my mother-in-law, Shirley Udeman, used to make is her famous brisket. And this recipe for this famous brisket has been circulating around. But in big capital, and the reason I know this, even though I'm a vegetarian, I have her recipe because I wasn't always a vegetarian. And I used to trail her around in the kitchen and write down her recipes because she was a really good cook. And this particular recipe has in capital letters, because she really emphasized it to me, that when you're ready to cut it, you have to cut it across the grain. And we're always turning the brisket like, where's the grain, right? That's not always easy to find out. But the point is, it had to be across the grain, or I think it gets either really stringy or really tough. I can't remember, but it doesn't taste as good. And then I was thinking that, you know what? Usually we think of when somebody goes against the grain, really against the grain, that's the expression, it's not a good thing. It's going against the grain. It's like chalk against a blackboard. It's something we don't like. But in the situation of my mother-in-law's brisket, against the grain is a good thing. So I just would like you to keep that in mind, that when things look like they might be something that's going wrong for you, you never know, because it could actually be going right for you. Okay? Mwah! This is Princess Diane von Brainers-Fried, and for more tips for your royally happy life, you can sign up for my blog. It's free, www.princessdianevonbrainersfried.com. More tips for your royally happy life, which you deserve one. Mwah! Bye.